So let's take a look at rebidding shape. Now that we've had the review of what I mean by shape, there are single suited unbalanced shapes, one 6-card suit, or when raising partner suit. That's going to be one set of ranges. Okay, let's call that range 1. The second set of range is going to be balanced shape. One of these 3 shapes, 5-3-3-2, 4-4-3-2, 4-3-3-3. If you see one of these 3 shapes, you're going to be in ranges number 2. And then number 3 is the 2 suited unbalanced shape, at least one 5-card suit and one 4-card suit. And that's going to be range number 3. So in your mind, you're going to want 3 compartments. And we're going to put 3 different sets of ranges depending on your shape. Single suited unbalanced, or if you're raising your responder's suit, and we're going to see examples. Balanced shape, different set of ranges. 2 suited unbalanced shape, yet another set of ranges. Now you're beginning to see why I was focused at lesson 1. I was saying you've got to focus on the shape of your hand. It all comes down to the shape of the hand for openers rebids. So let's take a look at the first set of ranges. 2 types of hands are in this set of range. It's single suited unbalanced, that's at least one 6-card suit, or when you're raising your responder's suit. You're going to put your hand into 3 ranges. Remember what we're doing as rebidder, we're breaking the 13 to 21 point range into smaller ranges. 13 to 16, 17 to 18, 19 to 21. And common single suited hands are 6-3-2-2, 6-3-3-1, and 6-4-2-1. Even though you've got 2 suits here, you would consider it a single suited hand because you've got a 6-card suit. Balanced hands. We've been talking about balanced hands forever, right? We've got the 4-3-3-3, that's our ugly duckling shape, the 4-4-3-2, that's our thumbs up shape, and the 5-3-3-2, that's our death shape. Now, interestingly, the balanced hand has only 2 ranges, 13 to 14. On your rebid, you've opened one of a suit and you're going to rebid one no trump. And then medium is 18 to 19. You open one of a suit and on your rebid, you're going to bid 2 no trump. Now, where's the third? Where's the third range? What happened to the third range? What's the logic there? Where's the 15 to 17 point balanced hand on your rebid? Exactly. You would have already opened one no trump. So you don't have a rebid. You've told your story with your opening one no bid, right? So you only have 2 ranges cutting out the 15 to 17. Now, what about the 20 to 21? Because I said opener's rebid is dividing the 13 to 21 into different subcategories. What happened to the 20 to 21 range? Why don't we have a balanced rebid on that one? Exactly. We would have already opened 2 no. Right? So that's why those numbers are missing, right? The logic behind to help us remember why those numbers are missing, right? We only have 2 ranges for the balanced hands because we'd already opened one no with 15 to 17, and we'd already opened 2 no with 20 to 21. So we just have the 13 to 14 rebid 1 no and 18 to 19 rebid 2 no. And we do have some 12-point hands that we open, right? So that would fit in the 12 to 14 point range, right? We talked about having quick tricks and opening 12 high card points, right? So 12 to 14, rebid 1 no, and 18 to 19, rebid 2 no. Think of no trump as your balanced hand describer, okay? So if you're opening bidder, you've started with one of a suit, your partner has bid a suit, and you don't have support. Right? First thing you do is raise your partner's major if you have support. But if you don't have support, look to your shape. If you're balanced, these are your ranges. And then the 2 suited unbalanced rebids, those are our at least one 5-card suit and one 4-card suit. They only have 2 ranges as well. So let's dig into why. We have 13 to 18 and 19 to 21. The 13 to 18 is a combination of 13 to 16 and 17 to 18. We're squishing them together for our 2 suited unbalanced bids. And it has to do with saving the real estate.